Welcome, and to some of you, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. We have a special item today, and that's a Carhartt Bartlett jacket, utility jacket with a Sherpa lining hoodie. Love this thing. This is a Carhartt brown. We're gonna wax this thing to death today. This is 1 pint of wax. I plan on using the entire pint of wax. That is a little over 1 pound added to this jacket. That is going to be some major weight, but what I plan on doing is just soaking this thing in all of the wax, and yeah, it's going to have great results when it's all said and done. I do want to give you some heads up though. If you're planning on soaking the jacket, you're literally going to turn this jacket into a dark brown, burnt kind of look, which is what I love. It looks great, but just know over time, as the wax sets, dries, and you start to move in it, it's going to settle into the fabric. The jacket's going to get closer to that original color. Not exactly the same, but closer to that original Carhartt brown. And you're going to see creases. You're going to get that patina over time. The creases from the wax, you'll have dark creases, you'll have light creases. Here it is after a coat. I do many coats on this coat. But here it is. So it's got a good coat of wax, and it's feeling pretty heavy already. It's gonna be uneven. That's fine. I just go over the lighter spots whenever I retouch up. I've already thrown it in the dryer 1 time, and here's the result. It's been in the dryer. It's been on high heat. I did it for 10 minutes, let it cool off, then another 10 minutes. So it's already super dark. It's already blended in. Let's repeat the process. I don't do anything special. I just get a paintbrush and I just go at it. The parts like the bottom of the waist and the wrist area that I want darker, I just coat it in more wax. What I do end up doing with this is I end up dipping, as you can see right there, I dip the paintbrush into the water, then into the wax. So as I spread it, it just helps spread the hot wax better. It seeps in, the water with the wax seeps into the crevices. It just seems to work better and spread a little bit more whenever I dip it in the water versus just the wax. So we coated the whole thing. Now we're going to use the heat gun. Got this from Harbor Freight. I'm using high heat. You can put it on low heat. You can even use a hair dryer. Make sure when you're heating the wax, don't stay in one place too long. Just move it around. Definitely don't touch the fabric or you'll burn it. And be careful of the Sherpa lining. I don't get anywhere near that lining on the inside. If you do, you will sear the hairs, the fibers. You'll sear it, it'll burn, it'll be hard, crisp, and you're going to have to cut those off. I sear a few hairs here and there on the inside of the jacket like I did with this one. The other ones, that's fine, but you could literally burn a hole through the inner lining, so be aware of that. Anyway, I just melted it all in. Here's the outcome after another coat, and we're about to get another coat in. Actually, this is going on a 3rd coat right here. That's I believe. So as you see, those dark spots are the darker areas, thicker patches of wax. As you see, it's melting. For better results and view, just watch this on a big screen TV or a computer, laptop, tablet versus the phone. As you see, I soaked it again, completely soaked. Now I'm heating all of it. So here's another layer. It takes quite a bit. I think I have 5 layers on this jacket of that pint. But yeah, it worked out. Here it is. Like I said, it looks totally different, but as you start to wear it, it's not going to look its best until after a year. So next winter, I'm definitely going to break it out and show you guys what it looks like. I'll do it at the end of this winter because I'm going to start wearing it since it's getting colder, but I'm also going to break it out next year. That's when it's going to look the best. It already looks good. I like it. As you start to wear it and bend, it's going to start to shine more and look more silky because that wax is going to be dry and it's going to start to push through. But I'll show you one more time at the very end. Here it is, how it looks on the inside of the house without light shining on it. Kind of looks dark, has that burnt look, but in the sunlight, more of the natural color shines through. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. If you don't want it this dark, start off with a 1/4 can, see how you like, maybe even a bar of wax. And if you do want to get it this severe, then yeah, you're going to use the whole can, so just be aware of that. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.